Hello and welcome back to this channel. It's still your boy Audu right here again. Right now with a new video, I just want to create a video on how to actually make money online using ChatGPT, or literally how you can actually make money online using ChatGPT. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys one single way which you can actually use to make money. And with that being said, guys, I won't have any further ado. If you're new here, you're welcome. To my 20 subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video on how to actually do this to make money online using ChatGPT, guys. Let's go. So guys, the first question that might be running through your mind is, what is ChatGPT? If you don't know what ChatGPT is, let me tell you guys what ChatGPT is. First of all, the full meaning of ChatGPT is generative pre-trained transformer, literally. Yeah, so let's jump into how you can actually make a whole lot of money, or make cool money, or even literally side income, if you have a business or you have a full income stream for yourself. Literally, let's jump into how you can actually make money using this ChatGPT. It is actually a bot, and that's bot, yeah, a bot. Literally, let's say what ChatGPT is. Now ChatGPT is actually a chatbot that uses machine learning to generate responses to user input. Now if you input something on the bot, it is actually going to be generating answers, or generating learning responses to users input. Now you are the user. If you input anything, if you ask any question, it is going to be giving you guys the direct answer, or the literal meaning, or literally answering you and correctly. Yeah, literally. Now, as I said earlier, ChatGPT, let me start it again. ChatGPT is actually a chatbot that uses machine learning to generate responses to users' input. Now, literally, it was created by OpenAI, a research organization that focuses on developing artificial intelligence and technologies. Literally, yeah. So ChatGPT is actually was trained on a large data set of human conversation. Now, literally, it is actually like a human. It actually works like a human brain, and it actually gives you literally what a very learned human being will actually give you. Literally, that's it. And okay, so and as I said earlier, ChatGPT was actually trained on a large data set on human conversation, so it can actually understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. It is designed to be able to have natural human-like conversations with users. Literally, I've said that earlier. And ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer services. Yeah, literally answering customers, or literally giving customers what they want, and also content generation, generating content like what I'm actually doing here. Yes guys, so if you're literally loving this video right now, why don't you actually hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you very much. And okay, so after content creation, it's also and also creating custom chatbots for individual or businesses. Now literally, we are going to be jumping into the theory part of this video right now, right here. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into what ChatGPT is. Now if I open my Google Chrome browser, or any browser which you actually have, go to chat.ai, or sorry, go to chat.openai.com. literally, this is ChatGPT. And yep, so right now, let's say you want to actually ask ChatGPT about anything on this planet Earth. So let's literally say we want to ask ChatGPT, are you better than Google? I'm not sure how to answer the question. I have, it's going to be giving you guys anything. Okay, let's say generate a video script on how to make money online freelancing. Literally. Now let's go. Now sure, now as you can see here, it's going to be giving you guys, this is the title. Literally, it even gave me it even gave me a title, guys. Title: 5 steps to make money online as a freelancer. Literally. Now step 1, determine your skills and expertise. What do you excel at? what services can you offer to to potential clients? Now, literally, you guys know what freelancing is. Freelancing is actually doing a job or getting a job done for a client, literally a client, and getting paid for it online. Yeah. So it says determine your skills and expertise. What do you excel at? What services can you offer to potential clients? Consider areas such as writing, graphics design, web development, social management, and social media management, and more. Now, step 2, create a portfolio of your work. This would help your potential clients see your quality and scope of your skills and experiences. You can include samples of your work testimonials from previous clients and a list of services you offer. Now, that's step 3, join freelance job platforms and market spaces or marketplaces instead. These websites connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Some popular options include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Step 4, build your online presence. In addition to joining job platforms, you should also have a website or social media presence or to showcase your job on help clients. You can actually literally just showcase your work, and you're helping clients to find you, and you are literally going to be making money from them. Literally creating a professional website or LinkedIn profile to help you stand out from the competition. Now, number 5 step is actually network and market yourself, reaching out to potential clients and networking with other professionals in your need or in your field. Literally, you can actually find new opportunities. Don't be afraid to let people know what you do and what you can offer. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can do to assist you. Literally, this chatbot is actually mind blowing. Now, literally, you can make a whole lot of video creations. Content creations will be a whole lot easier for you if you're actually using this bot or if you're using this ChatGPT for yourself. It is going to be a whole lot of stress-free stuff for you. You can actually make a whole lot of money. Literally, if you can create one video in a week before, now you can actually create over 10 videos and your income is still going to be 10x, 10 times more, because you're creating 10 times more videos. Literally, if you're creating one blog in a week, you're going to be creating over 10 blogs, because this is just like a copy and paste, and then you can actually proofread it, and you'll make a whole lot of money for yourself. Literally, if you want my course, I literally have 3 courses. One course is actually a course on how to actually start out your dollar arbitrage business. The second course is actually a course on how to actually start freelancing, and the third one is actually how to actually start creating content creation. And literally, that content creation is actually, it covers blogging and also YouTubing. Literally, content creation on social media and content creation on your blog. Literally, if you want to get that, you can actually, my Instagram handle is actually in the description box below, or you can chat me up or send me an email or on realdominionaudu@gmail.com, or you can literally send me an Instagram, shoot me an Instagram DM, dominion_audu. Twitter is actually dominion_audu1. Now let's go to let's search for another thing again, how to actually make money, or let's say how to make money as a teenager. There are a whole lot of teenagers out there who want to actually make money in this 2023, or literally 2022 has actually shown most people pepper. Sorry for that, guys, but it's literally the truth, guys. It's literally the truth. Now, there are a whole lot of, literally, it has it has written this for me. Here, it has literally written it for me, and there are a number of ways that teenagers can make money, including part-time jobs, many businesses such as fast food and retail stores hire teenagers at literally, you can actually work as a canteen at a canteen, at a restaurant, or so on and so forth. Now, the second option is actually freelancing. We have talked about freelancing before. I'm not going to talking about it here again. Babysitting. Now, many families are willing to pay for babysitting services, especially on weekends and evenings. If you enjoy spending time with children and are responsible babysitting can be a great way to actually earn money. Now, if you are actually responsible, please note. And number four is actually pet sitting, similar to babysitting, but this is actually for pets. Pet sitting involves caring for animals while their owners are away. These can include feeding, walking, and providing companionship. Now, the fifth one, yard work. Many people are willing to pay for help with yard work. Now, you can actually work on their yards, their backyards, their front yard, anything such as moving or mowing lawns, racking leaves and shoveling snows. Now, if you can actually do that, that's actually a great way for you to actually make money. It's actually a great way for you to make money. Now, the sixth one is actually sell items online. Now, you can actually, I've talked about this on my channel multiple times. You can create an Instagram page or a Twitter page and you make money for yourself, literally. Now, I've actually said it, you can actually do that and just write up the things you are actually selling on your Instagram page, and it will actually give you more clients and more money if you actually start scaling it up for yourself, like literally start it from scratch and you make money for yourself. So let's literally see what ChatGPT has to say for us. The sixth option says sell items online, as I said earlier. Yeah, so if you have items that you no longer are using, or you can actually sell them online through platforms like eBay or Facebook marketplaces, literally. Yes guys, so thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.